Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Harley-Davidson Touring. 2017 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. This Street Glide Special has a 1680cc engine. This Harley-Davidson is a steal with less than 9,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, and has no dents or rust. 2017 Harley-Davidson Street Glide Special. Only 58 miles. Stage 1 kit. Tuner in bag. Reinhart Slip Ons. Leather bottle/dock bag. Chrome front end. Financing available. Good credit or bad. Extended warranty available. Wheel tire coverage available. Gap insurance available.